Okay. Sorry, I was very quiet. The stream started a while ago, but I was very quiet. I was just busy tweeting the stream and stuff. Alright. So, are we ready? Give away some more Pokemon. Jigglypuff! Hey, cheer! Danica! I didn't expect to see you today. I mean, literally and online. Get it? Oh man, I didn't think I was gonna see you on stream today. And in real life. Oh man, Angelo! Welcome! You better catch that troll, he is running. What? Yeah, what? How are you, Angelo? Nice to see you. So, good morning to you too, Cheer. Alright, so basically here's what I'm doing. The bottom left Pokemon that you see, Trico, Torchic, and Mudkip, I have the shiny versions and I'm giving them away. So everybody can come in. Cheer just retweeted me. Thank you, Cheer. So basically that's packing. You don't have much to pack. You don't have much to pack. Oh man, I'm not gonna see you. I'm very sorry. I wish I could see you, but work. Anyway, so let's just get things ready. Oh, so yesterday, for those of you that missed it, I got banned. Oh man, it happens frequently, but it's fine. I get banned and I restore the save again. I keep taking backups before I start the stream. So I back up my save, I get banned, I restore the save. And this morning I actually learned a quicker way how to restore it. I can actually do it live right now. If I get banned right now, I can do it live right now and fix it right away and continue where I left off. Because the ban is actually on the game, not the console. Whew! Anyway, so it's my way to wake you up in case you're still dreaming. I'm not dreaming. I woke up, I went out, bought groceries, and no, not link trade. What am I doing? Oops, back. I bought groceries, I made my coffee. Oh, we're good. We're good. And I set up a stream correctly. Actually, you know what? There's one thing I forgot to set up. The Pokemon that needs to be deposited, guys. Deposit. It's gonna be a Geodude. No, not a Geodude, a Pikipek. There it is, up on screen. So what's gonna happen, people who deposit Pikipeks, and anyone requesting a Trico for a Pikipek is gonna get a shiny Trico as a treat. So, GTS. Let's take a look. What time is it over here? It's 10:42 AM, so it's almost 11 AM here. Yep. (2:42 AM). Wow, you're up late. But then again, nobody's your boss. You can do whatever you want. So, checking online data. Let's see if the Trico deposited yesterday. Let's see if the Trico that I deposited yesterday still exists. No, it doesn't exist. So I'm gonna deposit one. I'm gonna deposit the Trico right now. Deposit. Yes, and I'm gonna search for Pikipeks. Pokemon wanted. Give me your Pikipeks. Doesn't matter what gender, doesn't matter at all. I'm gonna give them away to anybody, even if some random people that are not watching the stream. That's it, that's what I'm gonna do. Bye, Trico. Alright, in the meantime, I'm gonna seek for any Tricos out there. Sorry, seek for Pikipeks, I mean. Pikipek. Doesn't matter what gender, doesn't matter what level, I'm gonna search. Whatever I find. It's just people seeking for legendaries. Ooh, I found someone. Wait, no, this guy wants Mewtwo. I'm not gonna give you a Mewtwo. This girl wants a Mewtwo for a Pikipek. I will not encourage that kind of behavior online. Okay? That's not fair. I mean, it's amazing how many people actually request Mewtwo for, and it's amazing how many people actually will give them one, but I won't. No, I would just be encouraging this. No. Maybe I'm the one dreaming that I am in VloggyBuddy's stream. That he's talking. You are in a dream. You are in a dream. So there's nobody seeking for Trico and offering a picky pack. Why not? I'm gonna check some stuff randomly online, real quick. I'm funny? I don't think so, but thank you. I make myself laugh, but that's as far as I go, I think. It's weird that it wouldn't let me share it on Facebook today. I don't know why, but yeah. Let me try again, actually. Let me try one more time. One more time. Not that it wouldn't let me share, because I can share. It's not gonna stop me from sharing. But it's just, it doesn't show the thumbnail, and I don't share anything without the thumbnail. Sorry. Let me see if the Trico was taken. Did somebody snatch it? Yes, somebody took it. Alright, good. Let's keep going. I'll deposit the next one. I had to continue where I left off yesterday because I got banned. Otherwise, this whole thing would have been done by now. Once again, I'm gonna seek for PK. I'm gonna seek for PK pack. What's with people? They want legendaries for a random picky pack. The thing is, because you trade so many, I think it gets picked up as suspicious activity, I suppose. I don't know. I don't know how it works. No, it's just that girl that wants the Mewtwo. I'm not gonna trade with her, as if. What's another common Pokemon? I'm gonna look up. Hang on, I'm gonna look up some stuff. Let's look up some stuff. What's the most common Pokemon in Sun and Moon? I don't know, it doesn't say. Let's go to Serebi. My personal Pokédex. Sun Moon Pokédex. There's Yangoose. Maybe we can go for a Yangoose as a request instead of Pikipek. I don't know, maybe it makes things easier. We'll do that later. We'll do that later. Let me just check actually. Hold on, let me see the summary of Trico in the meantime. Came back. Nobody took it now. I'm gonna check real quick for Yangoose. I'm gonna check what the situation is for Yangoose. I think... hold on. Yeah, pretty much the same. This guy wants a Froakie though. Nah, I'm gonna stick with the Pikipek. I'll stick with Pikipek. You know what? I just had an idea. Hold on. Hey, it's Johnny! Which Johnny? I had two Johnnies actually. Welcome, Winter. I don't know which Johnny though. I'm getting a lot of Johnnies lately. Does that make sense? Alright, so keep depositing Pikipeks if you want. I'm gonna check real quick something. It's Johnny though. Whoa, hold on. Pokemon named Johnny are for Johnny Canal stream though. But alright, your choice. Whatever. If they're there, they're there. Whatever. Yeah, the thing is this, Winter, I thought you were Johnny because you said it's Johnny. I thought you were Johnny because I'm getting a lot of Johns and Johnnies in the stream. And the thing is this, I was doing trades, and I'm like, why are all the Pikipeks that I'm getting called Johnny? And I'm like, what's going on? And then people in the stream were pointing it out that Johnny Canal is doing the same thing. And I actually checked it. I'm like, yeah, he does. And yeah, he does it on a regular basis. That's nice. That's nice. I think he does the exact same thing that I do in terms of generating the Pokemon. He must have two 3DSs like me. One of them I use for generating the Pokemon so I can never update it. And then the other one you keep it up to date, fully updated so you can actually go online and trade for others. And that's what I enjoy doing anyway. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I am going... hold on. Your Pikipek is in DGS. Okay, so I put... hold on. I've got customers. I've got customers. Let's try... hold on, let me just go back. There's one already in GTS. There's already one already. Let's see. So it should have been traded. Oh yeah, it was traded. There we go. Sorry, I was staring. And I was wondering back then. I was like, why are all the why are all the PK packs called Johnny? I'm like, what's going on? Is somebody making a joke, an inside joke that I'm not getting? I'm gonna deposit another one. Guys, take them. Take them. I don't care if you take 5 or 6 or 100. No, there's no 100, but you can have as many as you want. I want to get rid of these. I want to get rid of these. Here comes another one. Should I stick to PK packs? Or should I switch to Young Goose? Is it easier? I don't know. I want the most common Pokemon. Depositing another one. This is the third kind. This is the third type. This is the third stream, kind of, that I'm doing, giving away shinies. I gave away Kanto starters, I gave away Johto starters, and this is the HOENN starter thing. It's like the third of its kind that I'm doing. It's still an experiment though. I want to see how many people are interested in me doing this. This is all extra work for me, to be honest with you, so, but I'm just doing it for the community. I want shiny Pokemon out there for people. You know what? In the meantime, let's do it. In the meantime, let's do one Wonder trade. Let's send one away for Wonder trade. I don't care. Because why not? I'll give them away like that. If there's not many people right now. There we go. Let's see what I'll get instead. I'll do one Wonder trade, one GTS. One Wonder trade, one GTS. And if the demand for GTS gets higher, I'll just stick to GTS. Good morning. Unbelievable. Hi, welcome Deden. I was gonna say Denden. Deden22, welcome. Bonjour. Ghastly. So if you want Tricos, if you want shiny Tricos, deposit a PK pack, and I'll send you a shiny Trico right now. Let me just go back to GTS right now. And that one was traded. Good. If we keep this up, it's fantastic. Deposit PK packs and I'll give you Tricos. Pepek. This is a pain. I have to select the Pokemon every single time now because I'm exiting the GTS. Whatever, Trevor. It doesn't make a difference, Deden. No, there's no need for a name. Just deposit the PK pack. No need for a name. I'm gonna do another one this trade. And it's a nice way to kill some time before the next Pokemon is snatched from the GTS, so why not? I should have thought of this before, actually. Alola! Wonderful! Oh, nice! Mimikyu! Those of you that are in chat and actually managed to get one of my Tricos, let me know, just so I know how many people are actually taking them. Just for fun. I don't care if you take 1, if you take 5, if you take 10, I don't mind. They're all, I have to get rid of all of them, so it doesn't make a difference. But I just want to know how many of my customers are getting them. That's all, really. Traded, nice. Somebody took it as well. Depositing another one. As soon as I finish all my Tricos, we'll switch to Torchic. Alright. Back to the Wonder Trade again. Hi, Games Wells. I think you meant to type hi, but you went with H and then you went with JI. Welcome to the stream. So basically what's going on, if you missed it, I'm giving away shiny Tricos, Torchics, and even Mudkips. Right now I'm with the Tricos. All you need to do is deposit a Picky Pack. That's all I'm asking for. Deposit a Picky Pack, and I'll give you a shiny Trico. Go. It's up there. It's on screen. Deposit Picky Pack. I might change it to Yangoose when I switch to Torchic, but for now I'm sticking with Picky Pack. I'm just doing some wonder trades to kill some time because it's not very busy right now, so. Oh, look at that. Oh, look what I got. Diglett, the mole Pokemon. Its head sports an altered form of whiskers made of metal. When in communication with its comrades, its whiskers wobble to and fro. Okay. Everybody French, nice. Everybody's welcome. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to GTS real quick. And I'm gonna see if it has been traded. Yep, traded. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna deposit another one. Here we go. Let's deposit another one. I think I'm gonna update my Pokédex one more time. Because I don't think I ever caught this Pokemon. Yeah, there we go. It's a nice way to fill up your Pokédex like this. Going back to the GTS now. Alright, trade it. Are you guys getting these, or is just random people getting them? I wonder. Alright. Why did I exit the whole thing? What the heck? That wasn't my intention. Connect to the internet one more time. I'm gonna do another one, the trade. She says good luck. Ooh, gold bot. I wonder what level it is. And that one's been traded. Really? I'm gonna switch to young goose now for Torchic. So start catching young goose if you want. Young goose. I'm gonna deposit another one. Here it comes. I have 6 left. 6! Here it comes. I'm gonna do another GTS. No, Wonder Trade, I mean. How can you not find the Pikipek? It's like the most common Pokemon. Oh, hello, Meowth. I got like what, 5 left? Or 4 left? 3 goes, and then I'm gonna switch to Torchic, guys. So get ready. I'm gonna ask for young goose. So get your young goose ready. Somebody's taking them because they keep getting snatched away. Did you get one there then? Did you get a Trico? Somebody keeps taking them, so I'm assuming it's you guys. Let me seek real quick, just in case. No, nothing. Okay. Nothing. I'm gonna deposit another Trico now. Depositing right now. What the heck? Oh, I need to choose. Who, Johnny? Johnny Canal wants a Torchic. Alright, so that one's been deposited. Let me know, guys, if you took it. I don't see any other Pokemon though, it's just this. I don't find any other. Did they take it already? Let's see. Oh, it came back. Oop, nobody took it. So it wasn't... There was nothing there. That's so strange. Oh, they did it again. Communication error occurred. Please power... You see what they did? They banned me again. Ah, the traitors. They banned me. I think they banned me again. But that's fine. I can fix that. I can fix that. Let's check if they banned me. Let's try again. You see, it happens. There's a communication error right away. Let's check real quick. Why do they do that? Why does it keep happening? And does it happen to other streamers? I don't know. Do you guys watch other streamers? Does it happen to other streamers like this? Yeah, Winter, thank you for subscribing. I think you are my 1,600 subscriber. Exactly, because this morning I was at 1,599. I think that makes you 1,600. Let's try again. Let's check. Let's see if they're gonna let me trade. But I can unban myself right away. It's not a problem. It happened yesterday. I'll unban myself again today. No problem. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. You see, they did it again. They did it again. But I can undo it. If you guys hang in there for a little bit, I can undo it real quick. Give me a sec. I need my other DS real quick. Hold on. I wonder if it happens. Fly intro is a roaring intro. What? What? I didn't get that. Alright, bear with me. I'm gonna unban myself. I can do it right away. Why does it happen? And why does it happen only to me? Does it happen to other streamers? That's my question. I'm gonna do it real quick, bear with me. This is some class A hacking right here. I will need to look this up every now and then. To see why this happens. Actually, I can switch this on for some music or something. So, import save, restore backup, yes, complete, should be fine now. Exit. Should be fine. Alright. I think it's done already. I think I did it. Let me just make sure. It's amazing that they're doing this. Let's go again. So I guess I'm done doing tricos. I'm gonna switch with Torchics now. I'm gonna switch to Torchic, guys. So in the meantime, let me just make sure that I can trade again. Now, obviously, the ones I traded came back. So, trades. There we go. I can do it again. Ta-da! In your face. All right. So, I'm gonna switch to. I'm gonna switch to Torchics. If anybody wants Torchics, deposit Young Goose. I'm gonna be asking for Young Goose. Hey, Winter. Alright. So now, deposit Young Goose. I'm gonna be giving away Torchic. So, deposit Pokemon. These are not for you, these are not for you, not today, not today, next time, 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 next time. Torchic. So deposit, yes. And I'm gonna be asking for Young Goose. Deposit. Here it comes. In the meantime, let me just edit a few things on the outline of the outlay of my stream. On the layout. Layout. What, no response? What are you talking about, Winter? So since I'm done doing Trico, I'm gonna remove Trico from the thing. So it's just these two now. Trico is finished, no more. And the deposit Geodude thing, I'm gonna fix that real quick. Deposit Geodude, deposit Picky Peck. Properties, and then we're gonna change that to. I'm not even sure how to spell Young Goose. Hold on. There it is. Copy and paste. I don't feel like typing. Can you trade my Pokemon? Yes. Deposit Young Goose. Deposit Young Goose. I'm gonna fix that on there. Yes, you will get Torchic. Yes. Deposit Young Goose. And you know what I'll do? Maybe it looks better. Hold on. I just got an idea. Bear with me. So. Because why not? So that one's fixed. And then I'm gonna add an image. Actually, I need to look up the image first. Oh man, I cannot put a Young Goose image. Well, actually, I'll just put a random picture. Could just put a picture up there. I'm gonna put this picture. Alright. Sorry about that. Took me a while. Alright, let me see if it has been taken. So otherwise I'll deposit another one in the meantime. Has it been taken? Has it been taken? Yes, traded. Somebody took it. Good. Good, good, good. Alright, let's do another one. Let's deposit another one. Here comes another one. You can take as many as you want. Don't stick with just with one. If you want, you can have more. It's up to you guys. Alright, so browse. Okay. Whoop! Sorry! Sorry! That's a big one. I'm gonna shrink him. Hold on. That's a big one. That's a big young goose right there. Let's shrink him a little bit more. There you go. Looks good. Looks good up there. Alright, so that one's gone. Yeah, you can take as many as you want. I don't mind. Maybe I'll do another GTS in the meantime. Because why not? Wonder Trade. I keep messing up Wonder Trade and GTS. I keep mixing those two up. Hello, Emilyn. Welcome. If you're here for shiny Pokemon, you are in the right place. I'm giving away free shiny Torchics right now, and all you have to do is just deposit the young goose. So I'm gonna just wonder trading in the meantime. Alright, good evening, wonderful. So that one's done. I'm gonna go back to the GTS and see if they took the other one that I deposited. Yep, traded. It's gone. I'm gonna deposit another one. Looking for young goose. Deposit. Gobu. What's a Gobu? I don't know. Is that a French name for another Pokemon? I don't know. I don't know the French names of Pokemon. Or is that Pokemon that I don't know of? Hold on. Hold on, let me just look it up. Maybe I'm just being stupid. ABC. No, there's no such thing as Gobo. No, unless it's a French name, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go back to Wonder Trade. Let's do another Wonder Trade. How are you? Amazing. You got ripped off? How? Sorry to hear. How did you get ripped off? So, I'm gonna go back to my GTS. And it was traded. Depositing another one. In the meantime, let's do another Wonder Trade. Six already gone, huh? 6 are gone. Moving on. I'll accept trade requests anytime. Unbelievable. I love reading these comments. Oh, you're gonna love your Torchic. Klefki, I hate it. Ugh, even the sound is just a bunch of keys. Ugh, I don't even want to read the description. I hate that Pokemon so much. Alright, traded. Another one. Deposit another one. Hello, Danae. Welcome to the stream. Did I say that right? Danae? Did I say that right? I hope so. Welcome to the stream. I'm giving away shiny Torchic right now. If you would like one, just deposit a young goose. Deposit a young goose, and I'll give you a free shiny Torchic. In the meantime, to kill some time, I'm just doing some wonder trades. That's all. Because it's a slow stream today, so... It was much busier yesterday. And if you like what I'm doing, giving away these shinies, and you would like to see more, I have no problem doing this a regular thing, but in order for me to make it a regular thing, it has to be a successful stream. I cannot, you know, I cannot just sit here and do nothing. I need to have people to trade with. So if you are enjoying and you would like more, make sure you subscribe and, I don't know, come back. It's the only way to find out when I'm gonna do more. I stream many games, but whenever I stream Pokemon, I give these away. Pokemon are my treasures. Cool. Hulkasaurus. I'm sorry. I'm done doing Trico now games. Sorry. That's a weird Pokeball. I've never seen that Pokemon before. Slowpoke. What's a Gobu? I don't even know. GTS. I'm gonna check what a Gobu is. I don't know. Hold on. What's a Gobu? There's no such thing as a Gobu. I don't see a Gobu. What the heck is a Gobu? I'm gonna Google it actually. It's food. I don't know. Oh, trade it. Nice. Ah, it's Mudkip. Ah, you're talking about Mudkip. Yeah, we're gonna do Mudkip. I finished Torchics and I switched to Mudkip. Don't worry. I figured games. Everybody's French. Everybody's French on my stream today. How weird is that? I'm only getting French people today. It's weird. I don't know why, but I don't mind. It's nice to have you all. Alright, so I'm gonna deposit another one. And once again, I'm gonna get rid of all these Torchics first. These Torchics go away, and then I'll switch to Gobu. That's alright, Emily, no problem. We're going to do Mudkip next. Let me finish Torchics and then switch to Mudkips. I did Trico. I did... we're doing Chikorita. Chikorita. Torchic. We did Trico. We're doing Torchic and then we're switching to Mudkip. Don't worry. I'm gonna do another Wonder Trade because why not? David Kassar, hello, welcome. I like your picture of a Litten. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm giving away shiny Torchics. All you gotta do is deposit Young Goose in the GTS and request for a Torchic, and I'll take care of the rest. I'm just killing some time doing some Wonder Trades in the meantime, that's all. It's amazing, I got a Young Goose over Wonder Trade. How funny. Alright. Back to GTS. Trade it. Here comes another one. Vloggy. somebody is did that for me, I think. I'm gonna deposit another one. Catch some Youngos. Do it fast, David. Do it now. All right. This is the 12th Torchic I'm giving away. 12th one. Number 12. What Pokemon should I ask for next, after Young Goose? Or maybe I'll just stick with Young Goose, I don't know. I'll stick with Young Goose, perhaps. Bum 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 bada bum 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 bum. Alola. No Magikarp. Go, go, go. Magikarp. Once again, guys, if I do get the ban right now, if I do get the ban, I will restore the save and I will switch over to Mudkip right away. Alright, that's how it's gonna go. I'm just want to read what it says about Magikarp actually. It says, although we can help less, this Pokemon is incredibly fertile. Okay. They exist in such multitudes, you'll soon grow tired of seeing them. Interesting. Hello, Dead End, yes. I keep worrying I didn't say it right. Welcome back. So. Alright. I can't believe it's been an hour already. Yeah, I saw Vloggy. Yeah. That was yours then. I knew it. Alright, moving on. Once again, guys, if I do get the ban, if I get banned again, alright, I will easily restore the save right away, not a problem, but I will switch to Mudkip again. I can't start over with Torchics. Alright, so we'll do that. Alright, so everybody's speaking French. I do understand a little bit of French. I studied French for 8 years, but I'm still not fluent. Nothing. I'm far from fluent. Shame on me. I can understand most of what you're saying, but how funny. It's weird. It's weird and sweet at the same time. Here comes another one. Oh, by the way, these Pokemon have been legitimately checked, so that according to the system they are legit. Anyway, if they weren't, the system wouldn't even let me trade them, so... I can get a Yangoose because it's nighttime, or you cannot get a Yangoose. That's alright, Danae. I don't mind. I don't mind, really. I don't mind. I mean, strictly speaking, the chat is supposed to be English so everybody understands each other. But since you're all French, speak it up. I don't mind. Crabroller. Crabroller. Now I'm gonna go back to the GTS to make sure that has been taken. Are you guys taking these Pokemon? Tell me in chat, are you getting them? Are you getting shiny Torchics? I hope so. These are for you guys. I make these for you. Okay, good. Gonna deposit another one real quick. Is there a particular Pokemon that you would like me to ask for instead of Yangoose, perhaps? Maybe we can all agree on one Pokemon? Let me seek for Yangoos real quick. I want to check something. This guy's asking for a Metagross. Grubbin? Can everybody catch a Grubbin, day or night? Froakie, this guy wants a Froakie. I can give you a Froakie, but I won't. I can't have Yangoos because I have Pokemon Moon. Oh, really? Oh. What kind of Pokemon can everybody catch? Day, night, sun, moon? That doesn't make a difference. Maybe Grubbin? Oh, you can change the time as well. I'm gonna do another one that trade to kill some time. We don't have many customers right now, so... I'm gonna start calling the people I trade with customers. Customers. Yeah, Grubbin is accessible to all. David says Grubbin is accessible to all. Is everybody okay with Grubbin? We can switch to Grubbin. You leaving, Emmeline? Alright, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. We're about to do Mudkip soon, so if you want to come back, up to you. What's Mudkip called again in French? Goubon? Did I say it right? I don't know, I forgot the word. Can I tweet the stream out? Let me try see if I can tweet the stream. Oh crap. I cannot tweet the stream now. Actually, I think I can. Hold on. Bear with me a second. Alright. Sorry about that. Give me a sec, guys. It won't let me put the preview on. Hold on. Let me just try again. No preview. Why you do that, game? Not game, Facebook actually. No, it just won't. It just refuses. No problem. Let's keep playing. Let's keep this show going. Caterpie. Everybody can catch a Caterpie. I don't know. You guys have to agree, otherwise I'll make a choice, which probably would suck. Trade. GTS. Look on Pokepedia. I don't feel like... Traded. Somebody traded again. Good. Once again, guys, if you are enjoying the stream, I would appreciate a like. Not that it makes a difference, but if you click like, it makes me happy a little bit. And if you want more of these, you want me to give more shinies, the next one will be... I'll show you, actually. I'll show you right away which Pokemon I'm gonna give next. Look, I'm doing Torchic, alright? And after Torchic, I'm gonna be doing Mudkips, right? And next stream, I'm gonna be giving away Turtwig, shiny Turtwigs, shiny Chimchars, and shiny Piplup. Those are for next stream. So if you want, if you wanna grab your hands on those, the best way to know when I'm gonna be streaming next is to subscribe. Depositing the next one. Next time, Danae. Next time. Next stream. Today we're only doing HOENN. First I did Kanto, then I did Johto. Today I'm doing HOENN. Let's kill some time again. I'm gonna do another wonder trait, so I get rid of them. Do another wonder trait to kill some time. I love how my layout says Pokemon Moon, but I'm actually playing Pokemon Sun right now. I won't forgive you! Okay, I'm gonna give you a shiny and you won't forgive me? You can send a Caterpie in GTS, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. How about we all go for Grubbin? We go for Grubbin. Is that a shiny? No, I don't think so, eh? No, I don't think so. It looks like a shiny Spinnerack on my screen. It looked kind of different. Was that a shiny Spinnerack? It looks shiny. I'm gonna check, actually. I will check later. You don't find Yangoose. What would you like me to request? What would you like me to find? What would you like to deposit? But we have to agree, all of us. We have to agree on one Pokemon. We have to agree on one Pokemon. Guys, tell me, what Pokemon would you like me to request? David says Caterpie, but I don't think Caterpie is that common. Guys, what do you think? Shall I request Caterpie? It's not shiny? Then it looked like it is. Hold on, let me just check, because I don't know why, but it looks kind of shiny. Hold on, let me check. No, it's not. I thought it was shiny. It looked kind of pale when it was traded to me, but again, I'm streaming this. I'm looking at the TV. I have a big screen. All right, next one, next Torchic. Who's gonna take it? Who's going to take it? Caterpie is common, easy and quick to catch, and the chances of finding it are equal to Grubbin. Are we gonna request Caterpies? If you tell me Caterpie, if you're okay with Caterpie, we'll request Caterpies. But it will be the next one for Mudkip now, huh? It'll be for Mudkip. We're gonna stick with Yangoose for this one, and for Mudkip we'll switch to Caterpies if everybody's okay with it. Alright, that one's gone. I'm gonna go on Wonder Trait, give away one on Wonder Trait to kill some time. Okay, we do Caterpie. Next time it's going to be Caterpie. I'm going to finish on Torchic first, alright? So, Wonder Trait. Or would you like me to switch to Caterpie right now? Right now. Is everybody okay with me switching to Caterpie right now? Shall we stick with Yangoose for the rest of the Torchics, or switch to Caterpies right now? I'm gonna stick with Yangoose for now, because everybody's depositing Yangoose. It's not fair to change it halfway through, you know? So... Why you cried then? Don't cry! I'm sending as many Torchics as I can for everybody. Magikarp, Magikarp. Magikarp. Even Magikarp would be a good idea, actually, for a common Pokemon, I think. What do you guys think? GTS. Let's go back to the GTS. Let's see if somebody took it. Trade it. Nice. Here it comes. Here it comes. So we're gonna stick with Young Goose. If you would like a Torchic, deposit a Young Goose right now. I love that name, Vloggy. I should pay attention to the names. Sometimes I think I miss them. Nice one. Good one. GG. Alright, here comes another one. Here comes another one. Now I have to do the Pokemon Wanted thing. God dang it. Here comes another one. And that's nice to see sometimes in chat. Last time it happened as well. Somebody couldn't get their hands on one of my shinies. I kept sending them. Everybody was taking. But there was this one customer that couldn't get the Pokemon, and he was like very desperate, like, why am I not getting one? I'm so and he wasn't there since the beginning of the stream, and I was getting frustrated because he couldn't get one. But people in chat actually claimed claimed more than one, like 5, so they actually link traded one for him, and he was so happy. And it's nice to see that in chat, people talking to each other, exchanging friend codes, and giving distributing the ones that I'm actually giving away, and I like that. It warms my belly. It warms my belly. I'm gonna do another Wonder trade to kill some time. Somebody's inviting me. No, thank you. I'm gonna do another Wonder trade to kill some time. We got less than 10 left, guys. Less than 10. Once again, guys, if you are enjoying the stream and you would like me to do more of these, or you want to know when I'm gonna do more of these, the best way to find out is to subscribe. That's it. It says Ken. My name is actually Ken. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. What are you gonna give me, Ken? What are you gonna give me? Oh, what is that? It has a weird name. I forgot what the name is. I forgot what the name is. Okay, PHDCH. Okay. That's awesome, games. Well done. Thank you for doing that. You're helping me as well, you know? That's good. Thank you. By doing that, you're also helping me. And it's nice to have a nice community in chat, where everybody helps each other out. I'm gonna deposit another one, no problem. I'm gonna deposit another one. No problem, Danny. I'm gonna do it right now. Hold on. So, GTS. Here comes another one. I'm gonna take this one back. Young Goose, okay. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deposit another one, of course. So here comes another one. Whoops, sorry, I hit my mic. Alright, let me just check real quick. I'm gonna seek Pokemon to see if there's any... Do you intend to finish your decks? David, I'm working on it, but not in this game. Hold on, let me just search for young goose real quick to see if there's anybody that deposited young goose and that's waiting there. Let's see. Yes, but what I'm doing right now is I'm playing Pokemon Red. And when I finish Pokemon Red, I'm gonna move them over to Pokemon Gold and Silver when it comes out next month on the eShop. So I move those over, and then when I finish Gold and Silver, I will move them to HOENN. When I finish that, I will move them to the new Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. And that's where I will commit to catch all of them. We'll see. So right now I'm doing a playthrough. I'm streaming a playthrough. No results. Okay, good. So right now, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a playthrough of Pokemon Red. I'm streaming Pokemon Red on my channel every now and then, and I'm catching a team. And when I'm done with that game, I'm gonna move them over to Gold and Silver. I'm gonna do another Wonder Trade just for fun. Your Pokemon is 100%, really? So you got a Mew? Where did you get the Mew? That's the toughest Pokemon to find, I think. Alright, 6 Pokemon left, 6 Torchics left, and then we're gonna move to Mudkip. I like Psychic type Pokemon. Nice. Dark Magician. Magikarp. Gonna go back to GTS. Traded. You guys are doing a good job of taking these. Getting off my hands, getting them off my hands, which is good. Depositing another one. Okay, gonna do another Wonder Trade. The reason why I'm doing Wonder Trade is because it's a slow stream, basically. You know, if there was many people demanding, I wouldn't do Wonder Trades, but I'm just doing Wonder Trades so I can move this along real fast. I got 4 left. Porygon. Going back to no. Going back to GTS. Oh, somebody didn't take it. Somebody didn't take the Torchic. Somebody didn't claim the Torchic. It's still there. It's still there to be grabbed. I'm gonna do another Wonder trade in the meantime. I want shiny Pokemon. Okay, you're gonna get one. Spinda. I'm gonna go back to GTS. If nobody claimed Torchic, I'm gonna end it. End it. I mean, end the Torchic giveaway. Trade it. Okay. Alright, gonna deposit. I think it's the last one. Is it the last one? Well, pretty much, because I'm gonna do the other one as a Wonder trade, so... So this is the last Torchic that's going over GTS. And then we're gonna switch for Mudkip. And we're gonna switch to Mudkip. Alright, going over to Wonder Trade. And this is the last Torchic over Wonder trade. Guys, get Caterpies ready. Caterpies. I'm going to be asking for Caterpies, okay? Caterpie. Caterpie. Giggle, giggle. Another Diglett. Alright. Fair enough. It's registering again. Because I restored the save when I got banned, so... I'm gonna check on the GTS just to make sure that the other one's been taken. Traded, nice. So that was the last one. So, Torchics are gone. Finished. All of them. Finito. Boom. He's gone. So next is Caterpie. VloggyBuddy. Nice. And the next is Mudkip then. So that was a Pokemon. We're gonna be asking for Caterpies now. Caterpies. Here they come. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the stream, basically. Hang on a second. Give me a second. I'm gonna do a wonder trade as well in the meantime. I know it's you, games. I know it's you. Alright, so quit. I'm gonna do a wonder trade in the meantime to kill some time. Let me know if you get the Mudkip, please. Let me know. Let's go. In the meantime, I'm gonna fix it. Alright, so this one goes away. And the deposit over here, we're gonna change that to okay. And I'm gonna change the image as well. Magikarp. Something like this, perhaps? Let's see. There we go. Deposit a tiny Caterpie. And I'll give you, okay, I like that. Let's keep going, guys, then. Let's keep going. Ah, David got it. Okay, good. Let's keep this going. Let me know when you get them. Vloggy came from the GTS. I like that when they named them Vloggy. It makes me smile. Alright, you can have as many as you want, so keep going. Yangoose. Trade it. Depositing another one. I'm gonna do a quick seek as well to make sure that nobody has deposited and missed out. The seeking of Pokemon gets priority over Wonder Trade, of course. Wonder Trade is just to kill some time. Let's do this. Oh, look at that! Oh no. He wants a Caterpie for a Caterpie? Okay. Okay. I don't get it. Alright. Let's do another one, the trade. We'll allow some time for everybody to grab. Yo, Hermits! What's up, my friend? Welcome to the stream. What we're doing right now is, well, I'm giving away the HOENN starters, but I finished giving away Trico, and I finished giving away Torchics. All I have left is Mudkips, and I have tons of them left. So if you want to grab one, all you need to do is just deposit a Caterpie in the GTS and ask for a Mudkip, and I'll take care of the rest. In the meantime, I'm just doing some Wonder trades to kill some time in between GTS trades, basically, to spice things up. I got a Caterpie. I like that. You see, there you go. Games was managed to get 3 Torchic, and he's being nice. And I like that. That way you help me out as well. You help out the stream, and I appreciate that. Well done. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to deposit those Caterpies. Trade it. Nice. I think I got another half an hour giving these away for sure. Haha, Vloggy. Here comes another. Thank you so much, Hermits. I appreciate that. So basically what I do, this is a regular thing. Well, I'm trying to make this a regular thing, but the streams need to be successful in order for me to successfully organize these giveaways. I would like to do them on a regular basis. I did the Kanto and I did the Johto starters, and I'm doing the HOENN starters. And next are the Sinnoh. So if you would like more of these, yes, I encourage you to subscribe. So you can know exactly when I'm gonna do them, you know? And you get notified. I have a spare Trico if you don't get one. Hermits. If anybody wants a spare Trico, I've got a few left. I can do them. I can give, actually not a few. I restored the save, so I have all of them. If you want, I have Hermits. Alright, deposit the Caterpie right now. Deposit the Caterpie right now. Deposit the Caterpie, I'm gonna give you a Trico. Okay? I'm gonna deposit Trico right now. Send me a Caterpie. Oh, you need to catch a Caterpie. Okay, take your time. Catch a Caterpie then, Hermits. Catch a Caterpie. I'm gonna keep giving away Mudkips in the meantime then. Whenever you catch one, let me know and I'll give you one. No problem. Here comes another. I don't have female Mudkip. No, I'm sorry. No, I only generated them males. I only have them males. I'm very, very sorry. Tricos were males, Torchics were females, Mudkips are males again. I bet Mudkip looks awesome as a Swampert Mega Evolved. I've never seen one. I wonder what it looks like. Oh, an Abra! Okay. Going back to GTS. Traded. Okay, good. You guys are getting the Mudkips, yes? I hope so. Did you guys manage to do the trade between each other? Hold on. Deposit. Okay. These are generally a first come first served kind of thing, but since there's not many people watching, I mean, everybody gets to have more than one, and I'm happy for you. I do these for you guys. Hey, I can deposit something else? I can't find the Caterpie, I tried. For Mudkips, I'm gonna stick with Caterpies for Mudkip, but if you want a Trico, tell me what you want to deposit and I'll go get it. And I'll, for Trico, yes, tell me, do you have a young goose? For Trico? Alright, hold on, I need to send the text real quick in the meantime. Are you deposit? Mudbray? Alright, Mudbray. I'm gonna go look for it. Give me a sec. Gonna do it right now. Hold on. I'm gonna go back to the GTS right now. Okay. Skype. Alright, so, Hermits, I'm gonna do it now. Because I've got tons of Tricos, because I restored the save. I forgot. Look at that. All of them. They're still there. So you said you have a Mudbray, right? Let me go for it real quick. I hope you get it. Let me know if you got it, Armits, okay? It's important that you tell me that you got it. Alright, so it's gone. Yes, you deposited a Mudbray, so you should... Why are you saying no? Alright, did you request the Trico? This guy wants a Vaporeon. Alright, hold on. Froakie, Mewtwo, 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 Tapu Koko, Mewtwo. You deposit Pikipek. Torchics are finished. I don't have any more Torchics because it's gone. What? It's not there anymore. Really? Is it gone? Did you not have it? Did you not take the... Hold on. Let's try again. It says it's traded. Gotcha, YouTube. Is that it? Gotcha, YouTube. Is that it? No, I looked for it, Hermits. I couldn't find it. I just looked for it. Po. I don't have Torchics. Finished. They're finished. No more. Now you deposit Caterpie and I'll give you a Mudkip. I'm gonna go back to... depositing. You did not get it! Ah, crap! I did ask for Mudbray. That's crap. Hold on. Let me check something real quick. I'm gonna check for Mudbray right now. I'm gonna do it now. Right now I'm depositing, I'm supposed to be depositing. People are waiting for, I don't see yours. Where's yours? Let me search like this. Oh, you took it. Why did you take it out? Just leave it there. I'm not gonna find it if you keep taking it out and in and out and in and out and in. I won't find it like that. Leave it there. We'll eventually find it. Alright, Bobo. One last time. No more Torchic. Torchic is finished. You're depositing Pikipek for nothing. Deposit Caterpie for Mudkip. I blanked out. Alright, so I'm gonna search again. I'm sorry, they're finished. I had a whole box. Okay, deposit the Trico and I will trade it. Alright, so hold on. I will go back to, yes, I am depositing Gobu. Gobu is a Mudkip. Yes, in fact I just did now. Toto. My family nickname is Toto. I find that funny. I cannot get maps, they are too fast. That's okay, I have tons more. It's okay. It's okay. Keep depositing Caterpies. Alright, Hermits, if you stick around, we'll do it after I give away the Mudkips. I'm gonna take care of the Mudkips first because Mudkip's turn right now. I'm not supposed to be doing Tricos right now. Everybody's waiting for Mudkip. So I'm gonna keep going with Mudkips for now. Alright? Stick around. If you're patient, I'll give you a Trico by the end. Alright? So let's stick with Caterpies for... I want to make everyone happy. I try. Alright, Hermits, I'm so sorry. But, I mean, there's a line. Everybody's waiting for the mudkips now. I'll be more than happy to give you one if you stick around, but if you can't stick around, I'm sorry. It's not fair to skip the line. Okay, Danae, no problem. No problem. Thank you for hanging out. I mean, if you want more of these kind of streams, like I said, the best way to keep an eye on my channel by subscribing. Yes, yes, Bobo. Deposit Caterpie for Mudkip. I'm doing that right now, so you will get one for sure, I hope. Or maybe you can take a chance with Wonder Trade, I don't know. You can give it a shot with Wonder Trade. Going back to the GTS. Trade it. Half of the box is gone already. There we go. Here comes another one. Maybe this one's for Bobo. Let's do another one to trade. So far I haven't got banned again. I got banned yesterday and in the beginning, but I haven't got banned again, so far so good. Again, if it happens I can reverse it, so no problem. I would love to battle you, David, but not today. I usually do battles on stream. Well, usually. I started yesterday. But I wouldn't mind battling you, but not today. If anybody wants to, if anybody has Discord and would like to keep, like, not in touch as such, it's just, if anybody wants to keep track of my Pokemon streams and my battles, it's where we plan our streams. So if anybody wants to join, I'm gonna put my Discord link in chat right now. If anybody wants to join. That is where we talk about everything really, all my streams, so even friend codes and stuff. Go back to the GTS. Trade it, good. I will deposit the Trico after I'm done with Mudkips, alright? I'm gonna finish Mudkips first. Unless you want me to stop doing Mudkips right now. If you want me to stop doing Mudkips, I can stop right now. You tell me. You want me to stop doing Mudkips? Or does anybody else want Mudkip? Let me know. If anybody wants more Mudkips, I'll keep doing that. Alright, since I have some Tricos left, I'm gonna do Trico, okay? I'm gonna do Trico now, because I don't think there's many people that want Mudkip now. So I'm going to do Trico. I'm gonna do Trico. Dada! The adventures of Dodo. The adventures of Dodo and Cloggy. Alright, let's do Trico. I think we're done with I think we're done. So I'm going to do more Trico, okay? Seller the Trico. Oui. Alright, deposit. I'm gonna be asking for Caterpie as well, okay? Help me, please! I would like that to be my ringtone. Help me, please! I want that to be my ringtone. Let me know if you took it. I'm sending another Trico. Please help me. Okay, you have it. Good. You deposit the Caterpie for Mudkip and GTS. Alright. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do another Mudkip for Bobo. Games Wells. Okay. Okay, Dada. Go get some sleep. Thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, so another Mudkip for Bobo. Here it comes. Here it comes. Open wide. Let me know if you got it, okay? Dada in Discord. Yeah, I think it's arrived. I'm happy for you. Does anybody want another Trico or something like that? Does anybody want another Trico or another Mudkip? Is everybody happy? Or shall I stop here? Anybody wants more Pokemon? Anybody want another Mudkip or another Trico? Or I can stop right here, actually. Hey, Christopher! Hey, Ivan! You want Trico? Alright, I can keep going. I can keep going. Alright. That's why it's important for you guys to talk and chat. Because I can actually see who wants what. I'm gonna deposit another Trico, okay? Ah, look, it's for Johnny. Johnny! La gente está muy loca. Alright, so I'm gonna deposit another Trico for Ivan. Here it comes. Let me know if you got it, Ivan. Yes, you have the Trico. Fantastic. I'm happy for you. Alright, let me just retrieve your Caterpie then. Traded. Nice. Anybody else? Does anybody else want? I have Trico and Mudkip left. Anybody else before I end the stream? I think everybody's happy, but if I miss somebody, if somebody wants another one... Also, if you are enjoying the stream, I would appreciate a like, alright, on my stream. It makes me smile. And if you want more shinies, I will be doing more. Next stream will be the Sinnoh starters, which are... Let me just show them one more time. Next starters are going to be... Hold on. Next starters are going to be... Turtwig, shiny Turtwig next time. Shiny Chimchar and shiny Piplup. Alright, those are for next time. If you want more, you can let me know by subscribing. That's the best way to know. That's the best way to know when I'm gonna go live, by subscribing. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It was my pleasure to give you all these Pokemon. Let me just exit the thing real quick. It was awesome having you. I look forward to give away more Pokemon. And I will see you next time. Bye! I don't know exactly when, sorry. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna stream next time, but if you subscribe, you will know when I'm live, and you can come in. But I can't give you exactly when, alright? So you subscribe, and you can keep an eye on my streams. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.